Good morning, students. So far we discussed some theoretical concept based on parabolas and the different types of parabolas and some problems worked on the standard results. What are the standard results so far we discussed? Vertex, focus, directrix, axis, lattice rectum, endpoints of the lattice rectum, length of the lattice rectum, equation of the lattice rectum. So far we worked out many problems based on these results. Today we are going to work out some application problems on parabolas. These problems are real life problems. See the question carefully, read the question and take down the notes as per the given data. Assume that water is issuing from the end of a horizontal pipe. First read the concept. Assume that water is issuing from the end of a horizontal pipe. Like draw a simple diagram. Consider that is a horizontal pipe. Consider a pipe. Every day you are seeing hose pipe la தண்ணி புடிச்சா எப்படி வரும்னு திங்க் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க செடிக்கெல்லாம் தண்ணி விடும் பொழுது ஒரு ஹோஸ் பைப்ல தண்ணி பிடிக்கிறீங்க. அது எப்படி இருக்கும்? ரியலா திங்க் பண்ணுங்க. That is a real life problem. So this is considered to be a pipe, hose pipe. So water has curved out. கட்டாயம் வாட்டர் இப்படி தான் போய் விட முடியும். ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா பெர்பெண்டிகுலரா எந்த வாட்டரும் வராது. அவ்வளவுதான் கான்செப்ட். புரிஞ்சுதுங்களா? So assume that water is issuing from the end of the horizontal pipe. This is the horizontal pipe. 7.5 meter above the ground. Consider this is the water curved out. Consider this is the ground level. Consider this is the ground level. From this, the height of this pipe. Consider height of the pipe. 7.5 meter above the ground. This is 7.5 meter above the ground level. Describes a parabolic path. This is called parabolic path. So parabolic path. The vertex of the parabolic path is at the end of the pipe. See, this is the end of the pipe. Consider this end is vertex. Consider this end is vertex. At a position 2.5 meter below the line of the pipe. This is the pipeline. From this we can take 2.5 meter below from this vertex 2.5 meter below. The flow of water has curved out 3 meter. This is the flow of the water. It has 3 meter. Read the questions clearly. These are the data given. See, curved out 3 meter beyond the vertical line. This is the vertical line of the end of the pipe. Now what is the question? How far beyond this vertical line will the water strikes the ground? I already told it is the ground. This is the striking place. So what is the distance from this vertical line to this? We have to find this one. Say we have to find, this is the concept. We have to find the distance. This is the question asked in this concept. Assume that water is issuing from the end of a horizontal pipe 7.5 meters. See, this is the 7.5 meter above the ground. Describes a parabolic path. This is a parabolic path. The vertex of the parabolic path is at the end of the pipe. Consider this the end of the pipe as the vertex. At a position 2.5 meter below. From this, it is the 2.5 meter distance below this. The water has curved out 3 meter beyond the vertical line. This is the vertical line, 3 meter beyond this. Then the question asked is, how far beyond this vertical line will strike the, so this is the distance we are going to find. This distance to find. This is the concept. Now it is the directly rough diagram as per the given data. Now we have to draw a parabolic diagram according this. Now listen. Now I am going to draw a parabolic diagram with the help of the given data. So first always draw a rough diagram as per the given data. This is the given data. Now see this. This is the parabolic path. In this type we are having type number 4 parabola. Type number 4 parabola. Consider this is the parabolic path. This already we have explained. It should be the symmetrical diagram. This is the one part. So I am drawing a symmetrical path. Consider this is the vertex. We already explained what is the meaning of vertex. Origin 0, 0, V is the vertex. Now x-axis, y-axis, x dash. Think about height. Height how much? 7.5 meter. 7.5 meter. From the vertex, 2.5 meter below. So from this vertex, I can take 2.5 meter below. How much distance of the water curved out? 3 meter. 3 meter. So this is the concept. 2.5 meter below the vertex, the water curved out 3 meter. Now we have to find what? From this, the water strikes the ground from how far? How far means is the distance from this vertical line. See, we have to find, this is the unknown quantity, say x1. So see the diagram carefully. This is the rough diagram as per the given data. So through a horizontal pipe, water has curved out. So water has curved out means this is the curve, this is the parabolic path. Now height of the water pipe is 7.5 meter. So total height is 7.5 meter. Now from the vertex 2.5 meter below, the water has curved out 3 meter. You can use the unit or after that. So 3 meter. Now we have to find the distance of from this water strikes the ground. From this means from this pipe, from this vertical line, water strikes the ground at a distance. What distance we are going to find out. So see the diagrammatic explanation. This is the rough diagram, then this is the fair diagram. This is according as the parabolic diagram. This is the rough diagram according as the question. Now see this. We are going to use the explanation now. Now see, this is vertex 0, 0. From this 2.5 meter below, the water has curved out 3. Therefore, this point should be lies in the fourth quadrant. Take x as positive, y as negative. That's all. So x as positive, y as negative. Now we are going to find out this point P. Consider we are going to find out. This is unknown. We have to find x1. This is the known value minus 7.5. So first we are using the data. After that we are converting the points. All the points. This is the we are having 2 points lies in the fourth quadrant. How we are getting 3, minus 2.5? This is x coordinate. This is y coordinate. Then pair it x, y. Y takes negative. The same way, this is x coordinate. This is y coordinate. Then pair it x1, minus 7.5. These 2 points lies in the fourth quadrant. Therefore, x takes positive, y takes negative. So all the data from the rough diagram we are converting into the fair diagram as per the parabolic type. Then what is the type? It is the fourth type. What is the name of the fourth type? Open downward. Now say the equation. Equation is x squared equal to minus 4ay. X squared equal to minus 4ay. Now we need to find the value of a. This is unknown. How we are able to find? Substitute the known value of the point. See here, x and y are known values. Therefore, this equation passing through 3, minus 2.5. Substitute the value 3, minus 2.5. If you are substituting the value 3, that means 3 squared equal to minus 4. A is unknown. The value of y is minus 2.5. Then simplifying this one, 3 squared becomes 9. Here both negative into negative becomes positive. 4 times 2.5 becomes 10. A. Therefore, A equal to 9 by 10. So first unknown value we are able to work out. See once again, what is the type? Fourth type. What is the name? Open downward. See, it is the downward. Then the equation is x squared equal to minus 4ay. Here we need to find the value of a. How it is possible? Substitute the known values of the point. So this equation, this is the equation passing through the point 3 comma minus 2.5. First we need to find a. So substitute the first point, that is the known value of x and y here. Substitute, we are able to simplify, then a equal to 9 by 10. Then substitute in this equation. Now we can get equation of the parabola is x squared equal to minus 4. The value of a is 9 by 10 y. So the value of a just now we find out. Then substitute here x squared equal to minus 4. The value of a is 9 by 10 y. This is the first concept we worked out. Now listen the word carefully. Now this parabola passing through the point 3 comma minus 2.5. Substitute the data. We are able to work out a. Once again substitute the a here. X squared equal to minus 4. The value of a is 9 by 10 y. Then we are worked out the value. Now again we are going to find out this value x1. How it is possible? This equation passing through. See, this is the equation of the path. Again passing through p of x1 comma minus 7.5. So if you want to find the value p of x1 comma minus 7.5, again substitute here. See, x1 squared is equal to 4, 9 by 10. Again the value of y. What is the value of y here? 7.5 with the negative symbol. See, 7.5 with the negative symbol. Now we are going to simplify these data. Now listen, both negative multiplying we can get positive. Therefore x1 squared equal to, we can remove this with the help of second table. So 2, again 9, the division is 5, again 7.5. So both negative will be removed. Now this 5 and 7.5 you are able to simplify. Again 2, 9. If you are simplifying this one, we can get 1.5. We can get 1.5. This 1.5 is multiplication with the 2, we can get 3. 3 into 9, we can get x1 squared equal to 27. Therefore, x1 equal to square root of 27. So we can write like this, 3 root 3 meter. So this is the value of x1 equal to 3 root 3 meter. See this one, x1 equal to 3 root 3 meter. So here 3 meter, here the value of x1 is 3 root 3 meter. What is the meaning? The water strikes the ground at a distance. That is the question asked. The water strikes the ground at a distance of 3 root 3 meters. So once again listen this concept. Observe it. No need to memory anything. Just observation. You need the observation only. See this diagram. First draw the approximate diagram. That is a rough diagram as per the given data. See here. This is the vertex. So from this vertex, 2.5 meter below, the water has curved out 3 meter. Therefore, pairing these two values were 3, 2.5. So that is the first concept. Again, the water strikes the ground at a what distance? We have to find at what distance. So this is unknown. We have to find this unknown. Unknown quantity, x quantity, say constant x1, fixed number. This is the y value, 7.5. So x1, minus 7.5. After that, we are completing the diagram. Go to the equation. What is the type? Fourth type. Then x squared equal to minus 4ay. Here a is unknown. We have to find the unknown value, means substitute the known values of the points. Here two known values. Here one value is unknown. Listen carefully. First we have to substitute two known values. Then substitute. We are able to get a equal to 9 by 10. Then substitute once again, replace this a. See here x squared minus 4. Instead of a only we are finding out 9 by 10. Then we can get minus 4 9 by 10 y. No need to simplify here. Finally we are able to simplify this equation. Okay, see this equation. First passing through this point, after that passing through the p x1 comma minus 7.5. So this equation passing through p of x1 comma minus 7.5. Again substitute here. Instead of x, see here, instead of x, x1 squared. Instead of y, minus 7.5. Use the symbol carefully. Then simplify the value. We can get x1 squared equal to 27, x1 equal to root 27. That means 3 root 3 meter. So water strikes the ground at a distance 3 root 3 meter. See, கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்லேயே அது பேஸாக புரிஞ்சுக்கங்க. அப்போ தான் அது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் அன் அப்ளிகேஷன் ப்ராப்ளம், ரியல் லைஃப் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். எவ்ரி டே யூ ஆர் ஏபிள் டு சி ஆல் தீஸ் அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் இன் யுவர் டெய்லி ஒர்க். சி, ஒரு பைப்பு வந்து தண்ணி ஓஸ் பைப்பில் பிடிக்கிறீங்க. தண்ணி பிடிக்கும்போது கருவாகி போய் விழுகும். அப்படி கருவாகி போய் விழுகக்கூடிய தண்ணி ஒரு பேரபோலிக் பாத்தில் இருக்குது. அதுதான் சொல்கிறோம். அந்த பேரபோலிக் பாத்தில் அந்த ஓஸ் பைப்புடைய எண்டை வந்து வெர்டெக்ஸாக வச்சுக்கணும். திஸ் இஸ் ஓஸ் பைப்புடைய எண்டை வெர்டெக்ஸாக வச்சுக்க சொல்லி சம் சொல்லுது. அந்த ஓஸ் பைப்பு எவ்வளோ ஹைட்டில் இருக்குது? 7.5 மீட்டர் எபோவ் ஃப்ரம் த கிரவுண்டில் இருக்குது. அந்த ஓஸ் பைப்பில் இருந்து கொஞ்சம் கீழே போய் எவ்வளோ தூரம் போய் 2.5 மீட்டர் கீழே போய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த பாத், அந்த கருவாய் போயிருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த பாத்து 3 மீட்டரில் இருக்குதுன்னு சொல்கிறோம். அடுத்தது கிரவுண்டை போய் டச் பண்ணும்போது, ஸோ இப்படி டச் ஆகிறது கிரவுண்டை போய் டச் பண்ணும் பொழுது எவ்வளவு டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்குது, அவ்வளோதான் கொஸ்டினுடைய கான்செப்ட். ஸோ ரீட் த கொஸ்டின், அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் யுவர் செல்ஃப், தென் ட்ரா த ரஃப் டயக்ராம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். After that, convert the rough diagram to the fair diagram. Fair diagram means here parabolic diagram. Then all data should be filled. That is the important concept. So use the concept 2.5. இதுதான் வந்து நீங்கள் அந்த சம்மை படித்து புரிஞ்சுக்கிறது. 2.5 எங்கே குறிக்கணும், 3 மாற்றி குறிச்சிங்கன்னா போச்சு. அவசரத்தில் இங்கே 3 இங்கே 2.5 போட்டுடுவீங்க. அதெல்லாம் தான் கொஞ்சம் கவனிக்கணும். ஸோ 3ங்கிறது இங்கே போட்டுறக்கூடாது. ஸோ வாட்டருடைய கர்வ்ட் அவுட். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த கர்வ்ட் அவுட் பிளேஸ் ஃப்ரம் த வெர்டெக்ஸ். அப்போ வெர்டெக்ஸ்லேருந்து தான் போகணும். அந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லாக பாருங்கள். 2.5 3. தென் பேரிங் த பாயிண்ட்ஸ். மெனி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க, இது ரெண்டையும் மாற்றி போட்டுருவீங்க. ஸோ ஆல்வேஸ் எக்ஸ் குவான்டிட்டி ஃபர்ஸ்ட், ஒய் குவான்டிட்டி செகண்ட். இதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் கான்செப்டில் எடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா தப்பு வராது. இதுதான் எக்ஸ் குவான்டிட்டி, இதுதான் ஒய் குவான்டிட்டி. ஸோ எக்ஸ் கமா ஒய். ஆஃப்டர் தட் சி எக்ஸ் குவான்டிட்டி ஒய் குவான்டிட்டி. 7.5ங்கிறது ஃப்ரம் த கிரவுண்ட் டோட்டல் ஹைட். ஸோ அப்போ எக்ஸ் ஒய் உடைய வேல்யூ. பாயிண்ட்ஸை கரெக்டாக பிளாட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா டயக்ராமில் தென் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் வராது. ஸோ டேக் டவுன் த கான்செப்ட் கிளியர்லி அண்ட் ஒர்க் அவுட். Now listen the second question, same application problem. So try to understand the problem by reading it. Listen. On lighting a rocket cracker, when it gets projected in a parabolic path, see the words parabolic path, and reaches the maximum height 4 meter when it is 6 meter away from the starting point. See the question. பண்டிகை டைமில் ராக்கெட் விடுறீங்கள, அதுதான், வேறு ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. அதை வந்து மேக்ஸ் கான்செப்டில் கொண்டு போகிறோம். ஆன் லைட்டிங் ஏ ராக்கெட் கிராக்கர். ஸோ ஒரு கிராக்கர் இங்கே வச்சுருக்காங்க. இப்படி ஒரு ராக்கெட் பட்டாசு வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஸோ இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய ராக்கெட் பட்டாசு என்ன பண்ணுது, கிரவுண்ட் லெவல்னு வச்சுக்கி, திஸ் இஸ் கிரவுண்ட் லெவல். இந்த கிரவுண்ட் லெவல்லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுது. ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி மேலே போய் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோஷன் வெடிச்சிடும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அது வந்து ஒரு சின்ன குச்சி மாதிரி இருக்கும். அது மேக்ஸிமம் ரீச் பண்ணிட்டு, ஹைட்டை ரீச் பண்ணிட்டு தென் கீழே வந்து விழுது. இதுதான் கான்செப்ட். ஸோ ஒரு ராக்கெட் கிராக்கர் கெட்ஸ் ப்ரொஜெக்டட் இன் ஏ பேரபோலிக் பாத், ரீச்சஸ் த மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட். பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரீச்சஸ் த மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட் 4 மீட்டர் வென் இட் இஸ் 6 மீட்டர் அவே ஃப்ரம் த ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட். இந்த ரெண்டு டேட்டாவை கரெக்டாக புரிஞ்சுங்க. ரீச்சஸ் த மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட் 4 மீட்டர். அப்போ திஸ் இஸ் த மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட். திஸ் இஸ் த கிரவுண்ட் லெவலில் இருந்து இதெல்லாம் மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட்டாக இருக்க முடியும். ஸோ அப்போ மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட் 4 மீட்டர் when it is 6 மீட்டர் away from the starting point, from the point of projection. அப்படின்னா எங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுது, ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் இங்கே தான் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. இங்கிருந்து மேலே போய் 4 மீட்டர் ஹையஸ்ட் ரீச் பண்ணிடுச்சு. எப்போ 6 மீட்டர் away from the starting point and Finally, it reaches the ground. இங்கிருந்து திருப்பியும் போய் கீழே விழுகுது. எங்க 12 meter away from the starting point. அப்ப இங்க 6 னா again இங்க 6 தான இருக்க முடியும். அதான symmetrical. That is called symmetrical. So அப்ப இங்கிருந்து total distance எவ்வளவு? 12 meter. இதுதான் கான்செப்ட். So projection point. This is the starting point. Say this is the starting point. At the point of projection la irundhu இந்த rocket கிளம்பி போய் reaches the maximum height. Maximum height reach பண்ணிட்டு எவ்வளவு maximum height 4 meter when it is 6 meter away from the point starting point. இங்கிருந்து போகும்போது maximum height reach பண்றது 4 meter அப்ப 6 meter then it reaches the ground again ground reach பண்ணுது 12 meter away from the starting point. இங்கிருந்து பாருங்க 12 meter. This is concept. So always take the data correctly. இதல ஒண்ண மாத்திட்டீங்கனாலும் வேற முடிஞ்சிச்சு. So அவ்வளவுதான் இதோட கான்செப்ட். So read the question. So ஒரு ரியல் லைஃப்ல கொண்டு வாங்க இத. எங்க ரியல் லைஃப் பட்டாசு வெடிக்கிறாங்க இல்லையா? அவ்வளவுதான். அந்த பட்டாசு வெடிக்கிறது நீங்க கண்ணுல பாத்தீங்கனாவே புரியும். So reaches the maximum height போய் வெடிச்சிரும். அதுக்கு அப்புறம் அங்க இருந்து அந்த பீஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து கீழ விழுகும் அந்த கோச்சி. அத தான் வந்து ஒரு மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ் கான்செப்ட்ல எடுத்துட்டு வந்திருக்கோம். அத பேராபோலால கொண்டு வந்திருக்கோம். So this is the rough diagram. Now we are going to convert this data in a parabolic diagram. See this diagram. What is the type? Type number 4. This is open downward. Once again, the same concept. I am taking down like this. See this one. The same concept. We are taking the axis. That's all here. This is a rough diagram converted to be a parabolic diagram. This must be the vertex 0, 0. Now take this is 4, this is 6, again this is 6. Now we are going to plot the points. See, this is the point already I am explained. The point must be x coordinate, y coordinate. See, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Therefore, this point must be 6, -4. Why? The point lies in the fourth quadrant. So x takes positive, y takes negative. Therefore 6, -4. See, this is the point lies in third quadrant. X takes negative, y also negative. So x takes negative, y takes negative in the third quadrant. See once again, on lighting a rocket cracker, it gets projected in a parabolic path and reaches the maximum height. This is the height, maximum height 4 meter when it is 6 meter away from the point of projection. This is the point of projection. Finally, it reaches the ground 12 meter. So total is 12 meter away from the starting point. Find the angle of projection. So this diagram converted to be a parabolic diagram. So convert is a parabolic diagram. Height is 4, then 12 is going to be 6 and 6. Then the point is 6, -4. Here -6, -4. Now we are going to find what is the meaning of find the angle of projection. We need to find the angle of projection. So see this parabolic diagram, then converted to equations now. See this diagram. Equation of the parabola. Equation of the parabola is, see this type number 4. So what is the equation? X squared equal to -4ay. I already explained. We need to find the value of a. How it is possible? Substitute the point. We can take any one of the points. So substitute the point. This parabola passing through. This parabola passing through 6, -4. Substitute the data. X is 6 squared. -4. A is unknown. Y is also -4. Simplifying. 6 squared is 36. Here 16a. We need to find a. That means 36 divided by 16. We can use the fourth table. We are able to simplify. Then 9/4. See the value 9. We are able to cut in the by using the fourth table. 9 4s are 36, 4 4s. So a equal to 9/4. Now substitute the value here once again. See a equal to 9/4. Substitute here. We can get x squared equal to -4. The value of A is 9 by 4. Then y, this 4 may be cancelled. We can get x squared equal to minus 9y. This is the equation we need. For all this type of problems, we are working out the same concept only. Listen concept carefully. This is 6, 6. How we are able to find out 6, 6? The total distance is 12. It is a symmetrical diagram. What is the meaning of symmetrical? Identical. Therefore, this distance must be same only. So, we are converting 6 and 6. Then this is the height. It reaches the maximum height 4. So, we need to convert these data as a point. So, x coordinate and y coordinate. This must be the y coordinate. Then x comma y. It lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So, x takes positive, y takes negative. Depends upon the graph you are using in the lower class only. This is the same concept, but it lies in the third quadrant. So, minus 6 comma minus 4. Instead of this 6 comma 4, see this passing through 6 comma 4, 6 comma minus 4. A student may be asked a doubt like this. Why sir we are not using? Same concept only you can get. See, passing through minus 6 comma minus 4. What will happen here? Minus 6 squared. That is also 36 only. So, no changes. You can use any one point to find the value of A. But must listen the concept. Known values only. That is x coordinate and y coordinate. You must know two values. Then only you are able to get the value of A. See the value of A, 9 by 4. Substitute here, 4 will be removed. Now we can get x squared equal to minus 9y. Now listen, what is the question asked? Find the angle of projection. That is the concept we need. What is the meaning? This is the starting point I already explained. So at the starting point, at the projection place, we need the angle. So in your 11th standard itself, you know the concept. In your 11th standard itself, you know differentiation concept. We have to find the dy by dx. After finding out the dy by dx, you are able to substitute the point, you are able to get the slope. Now listen, x squared equal to minus 9. Differentiate with respect to x. In your 11th standard, you know the differentiation concept. If your differentiation, this x squared, we can get 2x. Minus 9 is a coefficient. Then differentiation of y is dy by dx. We need dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus 2x divided by 9. That means this 9 will get down. We need dy by dx. Then what is the slope? Dy by dx at x1 comma y1. So dy by dx we already find out. Now dy by dx at see the question, angle of projection. That means at the starting point we need. Therefore substitute the point minus 6 comma minus 4. Now here minus 2, x is replaced by minus 6. Then already you are having 9. Then simplifying this concept. So we are able to simplify. Dy by dx at the point is called slope. This is called slope. So slope means dy by dx at x1 comma y1. So we are able to find slope m. So we are able to simplify this one. Both negative will be removed. We can use the third table here. What is here the value? Again we are using the third table 2. Here having 3. So 2 2s are 4. Both negative will be removed. We can get 4 by 3 here. So what is the meaning of slope? That is nothing but tan theta. So tan theta slope, you are using the concept slope m equal to tan theta in your lower classes. Instead of this m, I am using tan theta. So tan theta equal to 4 by 3. So we need the theta. Theta is the angle. So tan inverse 4 by 3. So the question asked is find the angle. Angle is theta. How we are getting this theta? By using the slope. In your lower classes, what is the slope? Slope m equal to tan theta. So the slope m is replaced by tan theta. We need the theta. Theta equal to tan inverse 4 by 3. Once again listen the concept. So on lighting a rocket cracker, it gets projected in a parabolic path and reaches the maximum height when it is 6 meters from the away. That is the first concept. So reaches the maximum height for 6 meters away from the starting point. After that, plot the points. Convert the rough diagram into a fair diagram. Here fair diagram means in a parabolic diagram. After that, using the logics, given data, work out the points. Here the point is 6, minus 4, minus 6, minus 4. This is the starting point. But here we use minus 6, minus 4 only, because the question is find the angle at the projection, please. So use this minus 6, minus 4. We are using the simplification, then we get slope m equal to 4 by 3. Instead of the slope, use the tan theta. Tan theta equal to 4 by 3, theta equal to tan inverse. Then this is the equation. Differentiation already you studied in your 11th standard. So x squared differentiation 2x, minus 9 is the coefficient, keep as it is. Y, differentiation of y is dy by dx. We need dy by dx. So divide this number, minus 2x by 9. Substitute the data, then we can get the slope. Slope is nothing but tan theta, from the theta equal to tan inverse 4 by 3. So dear students, so read the question carefully, understand the concept, then draw the rough diagram. From that rough diagram, you are able to build a parabolic diagram. After that parabolic diagram, then use which type of parabola we are working out. Here which type? Fourth type. What is the equation of the fourth type? X squared equal to minus 4ay. We need a first. How it is possible? Substitute the known value, that is substitute the points. Here we are working out the points, substitute the point 6, minus 4. After that, finding the value of a, substitute once again. Then read the question. Here we need to find the angle, so that we are using the differentiation. So read the question and then rough diagram, use the rough diagram, then convert into fair diagram. It is very useful. Then no need to memory anything. Read the question, take a piece of paper, use a rough calculation first. After that, you are able to get. Now, listen the students, the third question of the same model. At a water fountain, you are able to see in a park. Water fountain, water attains a maximum height of 4 meter at a horizontal distance of 0.5 meter from its origin. போன சம் படிச்சிங்க இல்லையா, அதே மாதிரி தான் மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட்டை ரீச் பண்ணுது. எங்கே 4 மீட்டர். போன சம்மில் அந்த ராக்கெட் கிராக்கர், இந்த சம்மில் வாட்டர் ஃபவுண்டன், த சேம் கான்செப்ட். ஸோ ஒரு வாட்டர் ஃபவுண்டன் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இது வந்து ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட் ஆரிஜின் வச்சுங்க. இந்த இடத்துலேருந்து வாட்டர் கிளம்பி இப்படி வாட்டர் போகுது. மேக்ஸிமம் ஒரு பேராபோலிக் பாத், மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட்டை ரீச் பண்ணுது இந்த ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து. தென் அகைன் ரிட்டர்ன் வருது. நேராக போய் வாட்டர் எங்கேயும் நேராக இறங்கவே இருக்காது, எந்த வாட்டர் ஃபவுண்டையும் இங்கே பார்க்க முடியாது. ஸோ அது ஒரு பேராபோலிக் மாடலில் இருக்குது. ஸோ இங்கேருந்து ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட்டு, இந்த ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்டில் வாட்டர் ஃபவுண்டன் கிளம்பி மேலே போயிட்டு எகைன் கிரவுண்ட் லெவலில் வந்து ரீச் பண்ணுது. இதுதான் கான்செப்ட். இட் ரீச்சஸ் த மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட் ஒன்ஸ் அகைன். த சேம் டயக்ராம். போன முறை நீங்கள் போட்டிங்க இல்லையா இந்த ராக்கெட் கிராக்கர், அதே டயக்ராம். இங்கே ராக்கெட் இருந்தது, இங்கே முறை என்ன இருக்குது, ஃபவுண்டனுடைய ஸ்டார்டிங் பிளேஸ். இட் ரீச்சஸ் த மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட் 4 meter. This is the maximum height 4 meter. At a horizontal distance means x-axis, x distance. Vertical means y. Here horizontal distance of 0.5 meter from its origin. I am already explained, this is the origin. So this is 0.5 meter from the starting point. If the path of the water is already explained, parabolic. This is the parabolic path. Find the height of the water at a horizontal distance of 0.75 meter from the point of origin. Now listen carefully. 0.75 from the origin. This is the starting point. Consider this is the origin place. From this, already 0.5, 0.75 from the starting place. Now listen. ஒரு common sense இந்த question யூஸ் brain think பண்ணுங்க. இது 4 meter height. இங்கிருந்து 0.75 not 7 0.75 மீட்டர் 0.75 மீட்டர் போயிட்டு இந்த பிளேஸ்ல இருந்து இந்த ஹைட்டை நீங்க கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். யூ ஹேவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் த ஹைட். திஸ் இஸ் த கொஸ்டின். காமன் சென்ஸாக யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. இது 4 மீட்டராக இருந்தால் இது அதிகமாக இருக்குமா குறைவாக இருக்குமா ஃபஸ்ட்டு புரிஞ்சுங்க. இந்த ஹைட், திஸ் இஸ் த ஹையஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் இருந்து ரீச்சஸ் த மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட் 4. ஆஃப்டர் தட் 0.75. நிறைய பேர் இந்த இடத்துலாம் குழம்பிடுவாங்க. 5க்கு 4 போகுது, 7.5க்கு அதிகமாக தானே போகணும் யூஸ் பண்ணிடுவேன். பட் இங்கே போகும்போது காமனாக திங்க் பண்ணி பாருங்க. இங்கே 4 இருக்கா, கட்டாயம் என்ன இருக்கும், லெஸ் தேன் தி ஹையஸ்ட். அதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லாஜிக். ஸோ ஹையஸ்ட்டை விட அது அந்த பிளேஸில் வரும்போது லெஸ் ஆகிடும். பிகாஸ் இங்கே 0.5ல தான் மேக்ஸிமம் ஹைட்டை ரீச் பண்ணுது. ஆஃப்டர் தட் என்ன ஆகும், ஹைட்டு குறைய ஆரம்பிச்சிடும், ஹைட்டு டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே போகும். ஸோ இது கான்செப்டாக முதல்ல புரிஞ்சுங்க. we have to find this height. This is the logic in your question. At a water fountain, water attains a maximum height of 4 meter at a horizontal distance of 0.5 from its origin. If the path of the water is a parabolic, find the height of the water at a horizontal distance 0.75 meter from the point of the origin. We need the diagram. This is the rough diagram. Now I am converting this rough diagram into a parabolic. So x dash, y axis, so vertex V, this is x. So convert this diagram in a parabolic means we can get the type number 4. So this is the type number 4 diagram. Now we need to using the data. Now listen, this is the height, maximum height 4. Then the horizontal distance is 0.5. So it is a symmetrical diagram. Here also we can get 0.5. So now we are able to plot the points. It is in the 4th quadrant. So use 0.5. This is the x value, comma, minus 4 as the y value. Here minus 0.5, comma, minus 4. Because this point lies in the 3rd quadrant. So this diagram converted to a parabolic diagram. First we are able to work out. Now read the question carefully. From the origin 0.75 meter, from this origin we have to find the distance, height. We have to find the height. Now listen, already from the origin to this point we are already working out 0.5. Again one more 0.25. We need to find this one. So 0.5 is the entire from the middle value. So now this is 0.25 from this y axis. So listen carefully. This is 0.25. Here also we can get to 0.25 only. From this vertex, that means origin, this value is unknown, say y1. This value is unknown, say y1. So this is y1. This value is, you are going to find height. This is the height. This value is y1. What is the point P here? X comma y coordinate. X is 0.25. Y is minus y1. So we are able to work out. So from this rough diagram, we are converting into a fair diagram. This rough diagram is a parabolic path. It looks like type number 4 parabola. So draw a type number 4 parabola. From this type number 4 parabola, see the data here. This is 0.5. This is 4. Again this entire value is 0.5. Then convert this data as a point. Here lies in the 3rd quadrant, say minus 0.5. This is minus 0.5. Then minus 4. Here 0.5. Then y coordinate is negative. So this point converted to be, see here, 0.75 from the origin means already we crossed out 0.5. Again one more 2.5. This value 2.5. Again this is the parallel. So we are getting same 2.5 here. This value is unknown. So this point is x comma y coordinate 0.25 comma minus y1. So now we are going to form the equation with the help of this diagram. So read the question carefully. Now we are going to select type number 4 parabola. Now what is the type number 4 parabola? Open down. So equation of the parabola is x squared equal to minus 4ay. Equation is. Now we need to find the value of a. How we are able to find the value of A? Substitute the known value. Here see the known value 0.5 comma minus 4. This equation passing through the point 0.5 comma minus 4. You can use this point also. I already explained this one. So we are substituting here x equal to 0.5 the whole squared equal to minus 4. A is unknown. The value of y is minus 4. Then substituting, then simplifying 0.25. That means 0.5 the whole square equal to 0.25. 16a. We need to find a. So 0.25 divided by 16. Or you can write like this also. 4a equal to, you can keep this 4a here, then divided by, you maybe write like this also. 4a, then 0.25 divided by 4 also. We can use any one of these ideas. Both are same only. You can write 4a equal to like this. I am keeping this 4a as it is. Or we can find a also, 0.25 by 16. After finding out the value of a, substitute in the equation. Therefore, equation of the required parabola is x squared equal to minus 4. Then the value of a is 0.25 divided by 16 into y. These 4 and 16 will be removed. Therefore, x squared equal to minus 0.25 y divided by 4. If you are substituting 4a, you can get the result directly. So this is the equation of the required parabola. This is type number 4 parabola. Select the equation x squared equal to minus 4ay. This equation passing through 2 points. I am selecting the first one, 0.5 minus 4. Substitute, then simplify. You are able to get a or keep 4a also. Then substitute this a in the equation of the parabola here, x squared equal to minus 4. The value of a is 0.25 divided by 16 into y. 4 and 16 will be removed. We can get x squared equal to minus 0.25 divided by 4 into y. Now once again listen. Again this parabola passing through this point. We have to find h. H is the height. So we need y1. After that only we are able to work out. This is the value of y1. So now listen. This equation once again. This equation passing through the point, which equation are this equation? That means x squared equal to minus 0.25 y divided by 4. This equation passing through p. What is the value of p? 0.25 comma minus y1. A equation passing to a particular point. What is the procedure? You are able to substitute here. Listen carefully. 0.25 the whole squared equal to minus 0.25 divided by 4. The value of y1 is minus y1. That means 0.25 the whole squared. We can write like this, 0.25. Then here both negative will be removed. We can get 0.25 y1 divided by 4. So 0.25 we can remove straight away. Now 0.25 into 4 equal to y1. Therefore y1 equal to 0.25 is multiplication 4 times. We can get y1 equal to 4. So we are able to work out the value of y1. After finding out the value of y1, we need h. See here height. We need height. How we are able to find out the height? See here. This is h means this place is also h. How we are able to work out? The entire value 4 minus y1. Therefore height h equal to 4 minus y1. That is the logic. This is the maximum height 4. We have to remove this y1. After that we are able to get the value of h. Therefore 4 minus value of y1 already worked out. This is 3 meter. Therefore height h equal to 3 meter. This is the height of the water from a distance 0.75 from the origin. See here 0.5, see here 2.5. So entirely 0.7. I already explained. From the maximum height, it should be reduced. See, the maximum height of the water is 4. When we are reaching this place, it will be reduced. How much? 3 meter. This is the concept. So you are able to see the water fountain every day in your life, and you are able to see a water through a pipe, horizontal pipe. You are able to see in every day in your practical life, and the lighting a rocket cracker. You are able to see in your real life. So these problems are based on real life problems. You are able to see all these problems in your exercise 5.5. But in your book they are giving in a separate concept, separate exercise. They are giving a separate exercise, real life problem. But you have to study here itself, because we are now only discussing about the parabolic concept. So dear students, take the problems in your exercise 5.5. All these problems are in your exercise and examples in your 5.5 exercise. Here itself you can work out, because now you are studying about the parabolic. So all logic you are able to recall very easily. So dear students, take down the problems clearly, work out yourself. No need to memory anything. So just to work out, you can get a wrong answer also, no problem. Try again. You are able to get the correct answer. So try yourself. Thank you.